Yes, Mufareh, come on out.
I had no plan I'm going to do this today, but I had some great progress. I felt pumped. I couldn't, help myself, but just to say, I want to see you. I want to interact with you a little bit and see what can I share with you. So I appreciate the attendance here because I'm going to make it worth it. We're not going to be here for a while. I asked for this, so thank you. As you know, we have been working tirelessly to bring up the business back and uh, communicate about the next steps. And with the discussion of some of the leaders, we have agreed that it is better to come through the formal channel, which is the company and all of us here in the community. So because that time has come now, and we are going to go back and communicate through the ecosystem, I just wanted to give you the heads up. So this is what will be happening. I don't expect everybody is going to listen to this, but those who would listen to it, try to share the message accurately and transparently. Okay? The bottom line is we're coming back, we're going to reopen doors, and we're going to take you to the next steps. This is the bottom line. And the bottom line is we're going to come back and have a turnaround or a comeback phase that will thrill you. I am responsible for this, and is going to be much better, more secured, more protected, much bigger, and indeed to where we're supposed to be. This is where we belong, long time ago. Problems happen, no big deal. It doesn't crush us, make us stronger, and we move on to the next thing. So, just on time, as predicted, okay, I already have access to the ecosystem, admin and users. There were some modifications about the rollout, because we're going to have new data, old data, all of that. So there's so much in the pipeline, in the discussion on the table right now, without getting into the details and, give you a headache. We have strategized the rollout to make it as simple as possible. But to be more accurate, we're going to be logging into the ecosystem soon. I'll tell you exactly when, okay? And then we'll give you the proper notification. So it's not going to be on a random webinar here and there, as much as we love to be in there, but those are not official. Okay, now we're going back in-house to communicate promptly. So here's what's going to happen. One is, regardless of how we're going to do this, step number one, we're going to reopen the ecosystem so you can log in. And the main Onpassive.com, we're going to turn it into the ecosystem login page. When you see that, so you can go to Onpassive.com, you're going to see a website design now, right? A page, landing page. When you go there and see the login page, you should be able to log in. There's so much going on behind the scene. I cannot share that with you. You're going to understand later. It's not like forever. But at the moment, I'm unable to share that why and how and all of that. But you will know in time. For now, tomorrow's Friday, the 4th of October. Just about any day after that, okay? Any day. Meaning Saturday, you go, you see the login page there, you can log in. Done. We're going to give you the pop-up. We're going to communicate with you. What's next? We're not going to register new people, nor free, nor paid. Okay, just log in your profile and not the immediate thing. It could happen tomorrow, it could happen Saturday, Sunday, anytime it could happen when you log in. Step number one, log in. Back. Step number two, your profile is populated perfectly. So anything I'm not mentioning, don't worry about it. So don't tell me, oh, I cannot send a ticket. I didn't mention it. Okay? Don't tell me I'm not able to register. Don't tell me, oh, my oconnect. Don't tell me my this wallet. Okay. So step number one, log in. Say thank you. Step number two, profile populated. All right? Thanks again. Step number three, my team in place. And four, my wallet. When you see all that, that's going to happen not all at once. As I said them, not in the exact order, but within the next couple of days, this will start rolling out. Okay? And then you pay attention to the news and updates. And we will keep you posted in there. Let me mention something. Our website went down the last part of, and I'm saying the ecosystem, the dashboard, the systems, end of June. We just finished September. September was supposed to be the last month, or September 1st, end of August, was supposed to be the expiration of the foundership access. Like we were supposed to kill that. Because of what happened, we're going to compensate and keep all founders open, and we're going to keep the ecosystem, and we're going to give you, obviously, as we always do, more bonuses and more extras while we transition into the next phase. You follow me? All right? It's very simple. Onpassive.com, okay, nothing there. The website, next step, you're able to log in. Just be happy with that. That's all you need to do. Follow the pop-up. Step number two, the profile, as I said, wallet, team. We're going to talk about some insane scenarios. Somebody's going to log in and is going to come and say, you know what, in 2021, this was my URL, this was my, link or whatever, it's not happening, details, all that. Don't drive me crazy, okay? We're going to keep it really plain simple. Don't tell me about links, don't tell me about numbers, don't tell me about that. Very simple. We're going to take you. This smooth transition is going to be a major transformation to your business, to our collective journey. You're going to be blown away. Just one thing at a time. I'm going to keep it simple. The genius is to turn something complicated into simple. And if I tell you all the complicated things that we have to deal with, you definitely will say, we've got no chance. But follow us and have faith. Your wallet, you could bury it, not just put it away, okay? You don't need to pay anything, relax, so you have no reason not to believe. So no money is required, no organs donation is required, right? Everybody stay sound, nothing. And just be grateful for what to come. That's all I wanted to say today. So we're coming back bigger, better than ever.
That was powerful. That's very good. You said a lot. You said a lot. Thank you very much. Very simple too. Very simple to
back my
understand.
snack in the green room.
Yeah, I hope you liked it. Some
I'm
of the stuff.
starving there.
I bet.
You got no AC condition there, no air
No, it's
conditioning.
hot.
Welcome, Marty.
It smells bad here.
See that little
No
bucket?
food,
That little
no
bucket in the
AC.
corner, Ash. That's not a garbage can.
Oh yeah, I see that. Smells bad. Yeah. What do you have there? Dead body?
Real quick, Mr. Ash, I don't mean to knock your great news. I just was informed that Caroline Mackey's mother also passed away yesterday. Our condolences to you, Mrs. Mackey. And I forgot Chloe, Julie Pierre's daughter, who's still fighting that tumor. Please put them in your prayers, please.
Yeah. We hear a lot of people, we love a lot of people, but we hear a lot of bad news too. That goes with it. So,
Yeah.
yeah. We'll march ahead. Anyway, thank you, Ash. And everybody remember, remind everyone, no speculation, just come in and look at the video. It's there. It's very simple. Yeah, but you don't want to go on, hey, this isn't working. Remember, you go in, log in, check your profile, check your wallet, check your team, and keep your pants on. So,
Not all at once.
No, right. It's going to go within a few days. Yeah.
Log in is the first step. Step number one is get in the house. Okay. Take a breath.
Say thank you.
That's it. Yeah.
Thank you.
That's optional. Yeah.
I'm going to say it ahead of time.
Yeah, thank you, Ash. We appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
And you know, don't pay attention to this temporary, kind of like bridge. Okay. But we have the faith this will take us to where we belong or where we want to be. Okay, we cannot say everything at once because again, we want to keep it simple. Log in, it's done, accomplished. Now we're just about to make those things. And the reason we did that is because we had other, I would say, strategic decisions to take. Okay, we want to make sure that we play this in the best possible scenario. And the best part for those who understand is we were able to recover the business out of nothing. When you know the story, you're going to be definitely astonished by how talented is our tech team and how we're able to, technically out of the thin air, we were able to bring the business back.
Awesome.
I can't wait.
Yes, indeed. All right, this will get exciting, and sorry about the bad news. Listen, I've had the toughest year in my life, and it looks like every month things are increasing. I choose not to share all the details, but there's death in the family. It's a chaotic situation. We've got to do what we've got to do. Like, you got to do what you got to do because we have a limited time on this planet, and we want to make it count. It's an obligation. I feel like we have to make it count. I heard you, brother. I heard you talking about, how you should be clear on specifically where you want to go. If you allow me, I would love to share with you where I want to go clearly.
Absolutely.
Number one, I want to look as good as Chris Johnson. I have no plan for that. No competition. Okay. But very, very clearly, and this is exactly what I believe. Okay. How old I am. Okay. When I'm 55, I believe this planet is going to have more prosperity. Okay, more people have access to to a higher financial position in their life. I believe there's going to be more health, access to a healthier lifestyle. And I am so concrete, we're going to have better access to education. So we're going to have a more educated, when I'm 55, I believe we're going to get into a new era where we have this global population, the 8 billion living people now. They're going to have that, and from there and on, it starts increasing. Okay? Better education, better health. I do concretely believe that we're going to minimize all the corruption, the criminality around the globe, and all the violence and oppress and all of that. Hopefully more peace. Hopefully more love and harmony and unity all across the globe, okay? Because we have better, more positive things to be busy with than, kind of like biting each other, okay, or fighting or competing or whatever reason is. So I do believe I'm going to contribute to a better world. This is my pledge. I do believe that. Now, this sounds like insane, delusional. Anybody, who am I? I'm not a country. I'm not like a whole continent. I'm an individual. I know what I'm talking about. I have the details. I have the blueprint. I have the exact roadmap. And I tell you, we are going to be way, way better off. Like, we're going to be a better off place, okay, just in a couple of years from now. That gives you some of the math. Starting this year, obviously. Okay, this journey is going to take us to that, state of our humanity. There's more details, but in a nutshell, if you believe there is hope and working together, we can get to that. If that matters to you, join us, lock arm with us, okay? And we will get there together. There's absolutely a possibility to everything when we're united, when we're together, and go above the nonsense, okay? So, like I just said, life is too short. It's not worth it to be busy with the nonsense, and we want to make it count. I believe when I'm 55, mark my word, put this somewhere, anywhere you want, take it. This planet is going to be much better. All right? For those who choose to ride along, to be on the journey, obviously. If somebody's going to be like, blabbing or kind of like resisting, yeah, it's a choice. We cannot force everybody to have that prosperity with us. But I believe we're going to have opportunity, we're going to have options, we're going to have those possibilities, and remove all the, hopefully, minimize all the other catastrophes, okay? I'm talking about man-made stuff, okay? The unfairness or injustice that is going on is mostly due to finances or some greed or whatever it is. So let's be accountable. Remind me, and you can ask me anytime you want. And as we go back and reopen the business and communicate more and spend more time together, I am extremely passionate about sharing all those with you, all those dreams, aspirations, and how we can get there. And if you see yourself a fitting individual, so we can contribute to that beautiful, marvelous, goal, then welcome aboard. This is not just a business. This is not just like, okay, there's another website or whatever it is. No, this is a life-changing journey. This is a direction that it's worth to die for, I'm telling you. All right, you have a good one. I see you on the inside. I can say that real soon.
Very good. Thank you, Mr. Mufareh. I mean that.
From your basic wife and kids, brother. Tell them thank you.
My pleasure.
And tell the team thank you very much.
Absolutely. Okay, will do. Thank you.